Today we will look at how we divide algebraic expressions. Before we work out the first example of our algebraic expression, I would like us to look at the following example. 21 divided by 7. We can rewrite this as a fraction. 21 over 7. When we divide fractions, the most important thing is to know that we are looking for the highest common factor of the numerator as well as the denominator. So we need to ask ourselves, how many times does 7 go into 21? It goes 3 times. I would like us to make it very clear what our highest common factor is. So therefore, I'm going to have to write 21 in terms of 3 and 7. Let's do it. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by 7 divided by 7. So now I can see clearly that 7 is my highest common factor. So now what I need to do is to cancel 7 and 7. By doing that, we are saying how many times does 7 go into 7 and how many times does 7 go into 7. So now we are left with 3 multiplied by 1 over 1, which is equal to 3. So now I want us to look at our first example of algebraic expressions. Example number 1, it's 12p divided by 3. Using the same method that we have just used now, we are going to have to write this as a fraction, and it's 12p over 3. And we are going to ask ourselves, how many times does 3 go to 12? It goes 4 times. But this time we have a 12p. So therefore, what you need to do is to say, how am I going to write 12p in terms of 4 and 3? So therefore, you can say 3 multiplied by 4p all over 3. Why am I doing this? I just want to isolate my highest common factor. So my highest common factor is 3 because I've got 3 in my numerator, I've got 3 in my denominator. So now I need to cancel 3 and 3 by saying 3 into 3 goes once and 3 into 3 goes once. So now I'm left with 1 multiplied by 4p over 1, which is the same as 4p.